Problem. You research the market and know that consumers in your niche are looking for actionable insights into a topic where you are an expert, but they are not revealing much about their preferred content format. Question. What is the best approach? Option A. Paralysis analysis. Over-researching stalls progress. Option B. Strong but not strategic and not interactive. Good quality but lacks urgency. Option C. Overthinking, procrastination, waiting for others, delays action and takes so much time. Option D. Strategic, analytical, immediate action and iteration. The correct answer is D. Launch a smaller version, gather feedback and iterate. This problem teaches us two things. Number one, although market research is important, over-researching and waiting for others can stall your progress. And number two, going all in without testing the market might lead to problems. Successful brands act quickly with minimal expenses, test and adapt. Wanna know more? Check out the Knowledge Economy Theory Hub and the dedicated page with workshops, problems, exercises, and get access to the upcoming live challenge.